Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your phone supports Hotspot and your carrier plan allows tethering, because missing allowance will block it. Once done, plug the phone into power or ensure battery is above 20% so the radio won't throttle. Next, toggle the hotspot off and on and perform a quick device restart. That resets temporary network glitches. If needed, flip airplane mode on then off to force a fresh cellular registration, which often restores hotspot connectivity. Now inspect deeper settings to fix persistent issues. You should open APN and mobile data settings to confirm the carrier profile is correct. Because wrong APN can block tethering, update the profile if available. Then review the hotspot SSID, password, and band selection. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and change channel to avoid interference. Make sure the max client limit isn't reached. Disconnect or forget unused devices so new devices can join. To complete the recovery, reset network settings on the phone to clear any corrupted configurations. This reverts Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth settings, but often solves stubborn faults. If wireless tethering still fails, plug the phone into your computer and use USB tethering or try Bluetooth tethering as a reliable alternative. Finally, check for system updates and contact your carrier if the hotspot remains non-functional. Troubleshooting tip: before a full factory reset, capture a screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.